Guys, I'm showing you wolf prints.
Wait, what? What are you doing?
I'm recording right now.
How are you recording?
Where is everybody?
Why is everybody doing this? Okay, I'll show you some wolf prints. You probably can't do it. There's one. Oh, look.
If you look, you can see it, and I just did the outline because I love wolves and coyotes.
And that's the second one. You probably can't see it. Like, right there.
There you go.
Right there. That's good. Right there. See it?
They probably do.
And then,
Is this a YouTube video?
yes. What? It's
You got to switch cars, but I never did.
There we
Wait,
go.
you and Avery got to switch cars, but I never got to.
Me either.
Okay.
Neither did Barb.
Did
I
what?
think Grandma would prefer her car.
Like, if you see, you can see the nail prints.
So did they just close down the other one?
Yeah, you can see.
We'll probably see more tomorrow, people. You cannot see my face.
Oh, okay.
It's frozen.
That's why I'm gonna exit. That is a footprint.
Oh,
Do you want to
the
get Starbucks when
commissary,
you get
that's
back?
still.
Look, you probably can't see it, but it's right there. Look at that
I
hole.
asked Candace. She said she would.
If we do, what I'm gonna get? I'm gonna get some kind of cappuccino.
This is our symbol for wolf hunters.
You hear her?
I did, but did you also hear what I said?
Yes.
Thank you.
What did she say? What did she say?
She said maybe.
I only like traffic. This is elevator music.
Sorry.
No, I like that. Go back.
No, I like that. Go back.
Horizon of different type of music.
There it
I like
is, right there.
elevator music.
And this is our symbol for wolf catchers.
Oh, wait,
this is
no,
our
I
symbol.
wanna go on. I wanted to get on the side of that.
That's all the proof we
Maybe
have
that's traffic rules.
so far.
You survived the war. I survived the high.
And we made something lively. It was live. We had so many people on it, but then I was fighting over the phone. And lively.
225-4008 and your gift will be matched. You can also do it online at TonyPerkins.com.
And then I stopped the live.
Some of you may know,
I
while others
stopped the live.
may not know.
Like that.
Well, the president
And
appears to be
so, please comment down below if you.
The
Wait, that
loan
was
comes with a
straight.
variety of
Straight
easy repayment options and expert guidance from a local loan specialist. Visit
And
UHC.org/auto.
Comment down below if you like our wolf catchers. If you like our wolf catchers.
Qualified buyers, federally insured.
Wait,
Thing.
it's not even doing anything.
Like and subscribe to the video. See ya.